sketch a set of functions, so plural, right? So there's going to be multiple, whose product, or multiply, builds a cubic function. Class, cubic function is to what power? Power of 3 with the given characteristics. Explain your reasoning. So it says, first, x zeros at x equals -2. Remember the word zeros is where it crosses the x-axis. So there's -2. I have another one at +2. And I have another one at +3. Now you can choose what you put in there. For the worked out example, they have a quadratics, so you can put that into factored form. So remember, if you had to set this equal to 0, you can add 2 to both sides. And this would read x plus 2 equals 0. So this is a big idea here. X equals -2 is the same thing as x plus 2 equals 0. Class, what's another way of writing x equals -2? What's another way, class? Say it. X plus 2 equals 0. Class, what's another way of writing x plus 2 equals 0? X equals -2. What do you think? How do you think I would write this one? Well, I would subtract 2 from both sides, and that would give us what? X minus 2 equals 0. And how do I get that one? Subtract 3 from both sides, I get x minus 3 equals 0. Okay? So, now, you can choose all linears, but this graph has all, this is a quadratic. So basically for these two, -2 and +2, that is x plus 2, x minus 2. And if you multiply that out, you get a function. So you can name a function. So they just named it g of x equals x squared minus 4. So how did they get x minus squared minus 4 as their answer? Well, it's a linear times a linear. This gives me a quadratics. How did they get x minus 3? They took from x equals 3, subtract 3, set it equal to 0. So in this case, they have one linear and one quadratic. So again, a big idea from this is taking where it says x equals, and then basically making something like this with these parentheses, or setting them equal to 0. So you can star it, set it equal to 0.